Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 8th, 2024. Let's take a quick look at how the markets did today. Wow, it was a very, very quiet, boring session overall. If you look at the today's candle here on the Dow Jones futures chart, very small candle here. Absolutely nothing happening. The Dow finished higher by 17 points. Excuse me. I didn't mean to cough into the mic there. Um, the S&P 500 up 4 points. Again, look at the size of that candle. Just a very small, just an indecision type candle. The Nasdaq up 10 points or 12 points. You know, not doing much at all here. The Russell up 10 as well. So very quiet overall. Crude oil pulling back a little here. It was much lower earlier in the session, made it all back here pretty much. So overall, a very positive session for crude, even though compared to Friday's close finishing slightly lower. Gold continues to roll up 12 points. Not a huge day, but still a step um, higher here. So, I mean, just look at this run. Just pretty incredible. Not over yet. Silver up 42 cents. Silver had a decent day as well. That looks good. Bond yields mostly higher, and the dollar finishing at 104.14 here, slightly lower on the day. One thing that did move was Bitcoin. Have a look at that. Decent update for Bitcoin over to 2000 and closing outside of this wedge. So if we can trade above this high here, I think we should be in for another run on Bitcoin. Another chart that looks interesting right now is Alphabet, otherwise known as Google. And now this is more for a breakout. Yes, we have a victory reentry here, but it is far from the 20. But this is a, kind of an odd looking, but still a valid cup and handle formation. And it has once again closed above this prior high. Now, if it can get above this one, I think that'll look even better. But either way, not only did it have a decent retracement here, it made it back to those highs, pulled back, found support here at this prior high, and bounced. So, looking pretty positive. If you look at the weekly chart, that looks good, and the monthly as well. So, it is at all-time highs, right? There's no resistance overhead. So that is also a big plus here for Google.